Much. After 4 years after IMPD Officer Breann Leath was killed, the man charged in her murder now is standing trial.
Breann Leath left behind a son and a mother. In fact, she was the first witness in today's trial. Our Rich Nye has been following this case for years and joins us live tonight at 6 outside court. Rich?
Scott and Anne Marie, Officer Breann Leath comes from a family with deep law enforcement roots. Breann wanted to be an officer just like her father, and her mother was a former dispatcher. Back on April 9th, 2020, Leath was responding to a domestic disturbance call at an apartment complex on the east side of Indianapolis. She was shot and killed through a door. The defense claims that Dorsey was insane. Elias Dorsey was insane and thought someone was coming to kill him and his family. Leath was just 24 years old. She was on the force for just 2.5 years before she died in the line of duty. Her mother testified today that she had a sixth sense that day that something was wrong even before the family got the call.
It's like something punched me and I felt sick immediately, so I just went in the house and asked my husband, who was a supervisor, if he had received anything that an officer was hurt or something like that, and just felt like something was wrong.
After you hear all of the evidence, Wade Casanova is going to come up and ask you to find that Elias is not responsible by reason of insanity.
Now, the jury could also find Dorsey guilty or guilty, but mentally ill. And Scott and Anne Marie, this trial is expected to last 7 days. I'll be back here tomorrow at the Community Justice Campus with more coverage of day 2 of the Elias Dorsey trial.
All right, Rich Nye reporting live for us tonight at 6. Thanks so much. Now, tomorrow the trial begins for another man who's accused of shooting an IMPD officer.
Officer Thomas Mangan survived that shooting, but that bullet shattered his voice box. You might recall I spoke with Mangan last May, and at the time he was anticipating a procedure that would improve his ability to speak.
You can watch Ann's interview with the officer on WTHR.com, and we've got live coverage tomorrow for you on 13 News at 4 o'clock.
Both of these cases are ones that we have been following step by step for years now.
And you can learn about both of these officers and the charges against the suspects. We've got it posted for you right now on WTHR.com.